Hello, fellow Thunderbirds. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to find your icebreaker. Now, chances are, hopefully you have taken the assessment, you've chosen your path, you've become familiar with some of the resources on the Toastmasters International site, but you might not be sure how to actually get to your first project, so I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, of course, you're going to log in at toastmasters.org. And you're going to go to Pathways, go to Basecamp, and you are going to choose the middle box here that says Access My Path through Basecamp, and you're going to log in. Now, you probably recognize this screen from the last tutorial. We went to navigating Basecamp, but what you're going to do with this one is go to My Education Transcript. Now, this is probably going to look a little different from what you see, but basically what you want to do is look for the name of your path. Mine is Leadership Development. So if yours is Presentation Mastery or Innovative Planning or the coaching one, find the one that is your path and click Launch or Open Curriculum or whatever button is on the right side of that line. And what that will do is give you an overview here of the different projects in level 1. Now, I have already done my icebreaker, and you can see that because there's a check mark there. But when you look at yours, I believe that you will not have the option to launch any of these other areas. You'll have to go straight to launch to get your icebreaker started. So I think that should be clear for you. So just press the button and it will take you through a series of steps. Actually, let me show you what happens when I click on that, give you an idea of the layout. Now, this is an example of where there's going to be a pop-up window. So hopefully you've already allowed that. The pop-up window is at the top left of the screen. What I'm going to do is put my mouse on the very top of that where it says Toastmasters Pathways Icebreaker, and I'm going to drag it down. And it's still loading, as you can see. You'll want to click the box here to maximize it. That means that right now it's a very small window, but you can make it. Actually, that's what you'll want to do, but if I maximize it, you won't be able to see all the things I want to show you. So you can go ahead and maximize it. What I'm going to do is show you a section that I think is really super important. So if you go down here to the bottom of the screen, where it says select to move to another section, by clicking this arrow here, you get a table of contents for your entire project, this one being the icebreaker. So I would recommend, I think you'll find it easiest if you go sequentially. So click on navigation, and then it tells you how to use it, that you can either use the next button or you can use the arrows. And at any time that you want to, you can always come back to your table of contents here. Something that's really important with the icebreaker is to see that you assess your skills before, and then you do your speech, and before you can move on to project 2 on this level, you absolutely have to assess your skills after. So what you'll want to do after you've given your speech, you have your evaluation from your evaluator, you come home, and then the next time you log in, go back to your icebreaker project and click on Assess Your Skills, and that will unlock the next project at this level. I hope that's clear. Bye for now.